Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our first question, third and fourth questions. So here we need to find sum of n terms. So what they are given here is they are given one series in AP, arithmetic progression, that is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on up to 100 terms. That is the third question. Then what is the fourth question here is they are given 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 and so on up to how many terms? They are given 11 terms. So we have to find first one, sum of 100 terms. Sum of 100 terms. So what is the third one? Let's go into take. So here n will be equal to 100. So n terms, right? That is 100 terms. Then what is the series? 0.6, 1.7, then 2.8 and so on. So what is the first term? A will be equal to 0.6. Then what is the common difference? That common difference will be equal to A2 minus A1. So what is A2 here? 1.7 minus A1 is 0.6. So this is the values. So 1.7 minus 0.6, what value we will get here? So 1.1. So this is the common difference. You can calculate by using of A3 minus A2, that is 2.8 minus 1.7. This one 1.1. So this is the common difference. Then what is the sum of 100 terms? So sum of n terms. So sum will be equal to sum of n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for sum of n terms. But here what is the sum of 100 terms? So 100 terms means S10. So 100 by 2 into 2 into a is what? So 0.6 plus n is 100 minus 1 into d will be equal to 1.1. So 2 ones are, then 2 50s are. So 50 into 2 into, so 2 6 are 12, that is 1.2 plus 100 minus 1 will become 99. 99 into 1.1. So what value we will get? 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into, so what is the value? 99 means, so 99 ones are 99, 9 will be there, 99 ones are 99 plus 9, what value we will get? 108. So 108, that is after that point. So 50 into, we will get 1.2, right? So we will get 1.2 plus 108. So 2 and 11 point. So 1 will be 0. Then what is this? 0, 1. So 100 point. So what is the value? So here, so 9 plus 2 will be 11. Again 1 will be there, 9, 10. Again 1 will be here, 1, 0, 1, 110. So 110.5. So this is the 51s of 50. So into 1.1. So 51s are 50, 0. 5 will become, so 50 point. So 50, 110 in 110.1 into 50. So 51s are 50 again. So here 50 zeros are 0. Then 51s are 55. Then 51s are 50, 55. So what value we will get? 5505.0. So this is the sum of 100 terms. So 5,505 is the sum of 100 terms. This is the value. Then what is the fourth one? So fourth one will be here. So fourth one, let's going to take 1 by 15, then 1 by 12, then 1 by 10 and so on up to 11 terms. 11 terms. So what is the first term here? So first term a will be equal to 1 by 15. Then what is the d? Common difference, that is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So we will get LCM, least common multiple, 12 5s and 14 4s, 15 4s, 60. So 60. So 12 5s are 5 minus, so here 4, what value we will get? 1 by 60 is the common difference. So this is the 1 by 60 is the common difference. 11 terms, right? N will be equal to 11. So sum of 11 terms, that is S11, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 11 means 11 by 2 into 2 into a is what? 1 by 15 plus n means 11 minus 1 into d is what? 1 by 60. So 11 by 2, keep it as it is. 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 will become 10 by 60. So 11 by 2 into, take LCM, 15 and 60. So what is the least common multiple for the 15 and 16? So what value will get? 16. So 3 3 5s are 50, 3 5s are 15, 3 20s are again, 5 1s are 5 4s are again, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 1 2 2s are. So 3 5s are 15, 15, 15 into 4. So 60 is the least common multiple. So 15 4s are 2 into 4 plus 10. So this is the value we will get it as. So 11 by 2 into 2 4s are 8 plus 10 by 60. So 11 by 2 into 18 by 60. So 18 by 60. 2 1s are 2 9s are. Then 9s are. So 3 3s are. Then 3 20s are. Then what is the value? So 33 by 20. So we will get it as 33 by 20. 21s are 20. Again 13. So 113 by 20. So this is the sum of 11 terms. So this is the way to find the calculation. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members.